How to redeem Bonvoy points. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Bonvoy points. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You can use Bonvoy points for various purposes such as for hotels, flights, Bonvoy moments, car rentals and cruises, Marriott shopping and many more. I will brief you on how to redeem Bonvoy points for hotel stays. You can use your Marriott Bonvoy points to book rooms at Marriott properties worldwide. But the number of points required can vary. Marriott removed its Category 1 to 8 award chart in 2022, so it has become more difficult to predict the number of points needed for a specific hotel stay. While Marriott's dynamic pricing model does have its upsides, as some properties do offer a better value, many hotels now require more points than before. For example, you can book a stay at a Fairfield Inn in Ohio for just 10,500 points per night, which would give you a value of 1.4 cents per point if you bought this room with Bonvoy points instead of cash. If you redeem your Bonvoy points for this luxury property in Maldives, you could be charged over 100,000 points per night, which would give you a value of about 3.2 cents per point. Both options will give you well over TPG's valuation of 0.84 cents per Marriott Bonvoy point, which is why we usually recommend redeeming points for a low-end or luxury hotel to get the best redemption. You can simply open the Marriott web page for booking a hotel and can add the points during the checkout process by tapping on the points button. So, this is how you can redeem Bonvoy points. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Log and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.